Hi all, welcome back to Fine Craft Studio. Today we will be doing a project on transforming this curd box into a usable box. I'm just going to remove the handle, completely clean the box inside so that you can use it afterwards. I'm just going to give a single coat of white acrylic paint. I don't think so this will give a full coverage. So I will be giving another coat of white color chalk paint on top of it so that the prints are all not visible. Don't paint anything below the lid or inside. Make sure you don't do that. I've given one layer of chalk paint, and on top of it I'm just giving, to add a extra white, I'm just giving one layer of acrylic, tractor emulsion acrylic. To the lid and the upper part of the box, I'm just going to give red color. This design I just got inspired from Google. So I think this is a terracotta pot which was painted like this. So I'm just using the same combination of paints for this box. You can give one coat of chalk paint on the sides of the box and on the sides of the lid also, if at all you need it, if at all the paint is not sticking properly. Close the lid and paint so that you will get equal coverage and nothing goes inside, so that you don't want to wash it again. I'm just going to give a kind of small flowers with a branch going downwards. Just follow the same design if you like it, or you can paint it with any kind of art like Madhubani or doodle it. It's of your choice to give the creativity on it. Okay, I'm just doing this design for this color combination. I'm just going to give red flowers and the branches are going to be on black. Let's get it done. Just start doing like this with black and give a wavery kind of branches. It need not be a perfect one. You can just give here and there a little kind of bends or something so that it will look natural, and add in a few designs extra also if at all you like it. Okay, I'm done with the box. I've just given the design all over and I've completed it. To the handle, if you need the handle, just paint it with black and fix it. If you don't need the handle, just leave it. You can use the same handle, or you can use any kind of wires or nichrome wire. If at all you need to hang it somewhere, you can use that. Paint that as well. It's of your choice. If you need the handle, just paint it and fix it. This is the finished box. It will be like this. You can also give a black outline to the red flowers also. This is the open one. So can you see? You can just store it as a storage box also. Hope you all like my project. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.